that is the only difference between your hard code and dynamic code. So that is nothing but, so what is this dynamic code or where it is present? So we have an inbuilt package also. Let me show you. So there is in Java, we have Java libraries, guys. We have Java libraries. So, right, libraries in real time libraries and all. Yeah. Same way when it comes to Java, we have Java libraries. Java libraries. In this Java libraries, we have series of packages, guys. Series of packages. Series of packages. What are those packages? One, we have Java dot util package, Java dot lang package, Java dot IO package, Java dot SQL package, Java dot AWT package. So we have series of many packages, guys. In this every package, they have some inbuilt functions have been present. So in this java.util package, right, we have a class called as scanner class. Scanner class. So what is this use of the scanner class? So the use of the scanner class is whenever I want to take the input or the input, right, means any data which I have to take during the execution. While I'm executing, I'll be taking the inputs from the user. In that particular point of time, I'll be going with scanner class. So what are the 3 steps to achieve scanner class? I'll explain you. 3 steps to achieve scanner class. So what are the 3 steps? So step 1. So there is an import statement. So we always have to import it. When you go to library, right, you'll take the book and you'll get to your home, right? You will be bringing it. Same way, this one, right, we have to import it. We have an import statement called as import java.util.scanner. So you have to import this statement. It's just memorize it, guys. You have to import this statement. Import java.util.scanner. Next, we have step 2. What is step 2? We have to create an object. So who and all has been not done with object creations and all, right? You need not have to worry. They'll be doing this object creation. You'll be understanding there. Just remember now this one. So you have to create an object, guys. Scanner s equals new scanner. And we'll be passing system.in. So what is the system.in? Let me explain you. System.in. So whenever I want to take input from the user, right? Input from the user, I'll be going with system.in, guys. So next, step 3. So there are some inbuilt methods. There are inbuilt methods present in our scanner class. Like what are those inbuilt methods? If I want to enter a data of integer type, I have an inbuilt method called as next int. Yeah. If I want to enter a data of string type, string will be having 2 inbuilt methods are there. One is next and one is next line. Next line. So what is this next and next line? That is nothing but single word, and this is nothing but multi-word. For that reason, we'll be going with next line. Same way we have for char. So what is char? Next dot char at 0. Why we are getting 0 over here? Because when it comes to char, right, the index value of char is always starts from 0. Means you can only store a single character or a single value. Single value. For that reason, we'll be going with char. Same way we have many inbuilt methods like float, double, int, and so on, guys. So these are nothing but the inbuilt methods which has been present. Those who haven't done with this, you can just memorize these 3 statements here. One, import java.util.scanner. Next, create an object creation, object creation. Next, which primitive data or non-primitive data type you are using, you have to call that particular method. If I want to store a value of int, call int method. If I want to store a value of string, call string method. Char method. Same way for float, we have next float. So like this, there are all eight data types we have, right? For we have eight methods, guys. So which is nothing but just a second. Perfect. So next here we have for double, we have next double, and for float we have next float. Yeah. Next integer char and byte short. We have next byte, and we have next short. So these are the inbuilt methods which has been present in our scanner class, and you need not have to worry about it. You just remember these inbuilt methods. So whenever you are storing any particular type of data, right, you'll be going with those data. So majorly we'll be using int, then we'll be using string, we'll be using char, double, and long. Yeah, perfect. We'll be using even long, guys. Next, long. So this is nothing but scanner class. What is the use of scanner class? Whenever I want an input from the user during the execution, I'll be going with scanner class. How to achieve scanner class? One is step one, java.util.scanner. Next, create an object, and this reference variable, it can be anything. It can be anything. Your wish. You can put s, you can put input, you can put data, anything. But it always has to be prefixed with this method, guys. If I'm using s dot next in, if I give the data as input, right, I'll be giving dot input. So like that, we'll be using it, guys. This is nothing but our scanner class. Yeah, perfect. Sira in so in next byte B is uppercase. Yeah, those are the conventions which will be following when it comes to methods. So what is the convention of method? This is a method, inbuilt method. So when it comes to methods, right, for every class we have convention. For variables we have conventions. Just a second. Perfect. We have convention. So when it comes to methods, right? Yeah, just a second. For methods, yeah, for methods, right? Methods, the convention which we follow is convention which we follow is initially. Let us take one. Class next int. So first letter should be in lowercase, and the first word of the next method should be of uppercase byte. So this is the convention which has to be followed. The first word of the first word, I'm sorry, the first alphabet of the second word is uppercase. So this is nothing but the conventions of our methods. We have convention of class, conventions for packages, and yeah, conventions of variables. So these are nothing but conventions, guys. No worries. Yeah, perfect. Next, it is also called camel case. Sir. Yeah, perfect. Yes, sir. Will you share all the notes? No, no. On which topics and all I'll be doing? I will be doing it. I'll be sharing the notes. Yeah, Boolean is. Thanks for reminding. Neeraj, yeah, just a second. Boolean. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Next, what is Boolean is? Boolean. Next, Boolean. So this is nothing but inbuilt methods of all 8 data types, guys. So we have int, string, char, double, float, byte, short, long, and boolean. Only thing is for char we have a bit different, guys. You can say. Let me go with it. Just a second. Where is my char? Yeah, char we have some different, guys. So that is nothing but next to dot caret 0, because our char index is always starts from 0. What is this index? What is the size? Everything I'll be explaining you when I'm going with arrays concepts. Yeah, guys, perfect. So this is about scanner class. So yeah, guys, perfect. So this is nothing but hard code and dynamic code. So let us start coding, guys. Yes. Perfect, guys. Yeah. So guys, yes, perfect. Yeah, perfect for Boolean. Yeah. YAML case. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah. User defined input. Exactly. User defined input. Yeah. 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 Perfect, guys. Yeah. So now let us go with programs. So I think so what is the first program which I'm gonna do is, yeah, to find the entered number, to find the entered number is even or odd. Even or odd. So what is the logic for finding even or odd? So when it comes to finding the logic, so any number which is being entered, modulus 2 equals to 0. So this is nothing but the logic to find even or odd. If it becomes 0, right, the number is even. If it's 1, the number will be odd. Yeah. So this is nothing but how to find out the even. So in a program, how to write it, I will be explaining you. So we have a class, um, class e or odd. So guys, you have to do this this logic. You use it with if statement. You do it, and I'll be doing with switch case, guys. So let me go. We have main method system.out.println string args. Yeah. Next, let her enter a number int num equals 9. Next, we'll be using switch case. In this switch case, right, you have to pass this logic. Num modulus 2. Then we have case equals 0. If the remainder, if in this switch case, right, where you will be passing value, expression, and database. So for example, now the entire number modulus 1, it becomes 1, right? If this expression becomes 1, system.out.println is even. If it's 1, right, the remainder will be 1. Then we'll be getting system.out.println odd. So what is this? Why we are using modulus? You'll be having a doubt. I'll explain you. So guys, when it comes to modulus, right, if you are dividing any number with modulus, you'll be getting remainder, guys. Reminder. So that is the beauty of modulus. But when it comes to division, right, you'll be getting quotient, guys. Quotient. When you're using division symbol. Division symbol. So for example, 9 modulus 2 modulus 9 8 equals 1. So you'll be getting the remainder 1. So if this is 1, right, your condition becomes case 1. It becomes even. So that is nothing. And I forgot, sorry. And use the break statement. So what is this break? So what it helps, right? It stops the programming this particular block. If you are not using break statement, right, it will be having a continuous flow of execution. For example, entered a number of 6. So what happens if I did not use break, right? It will print even as well as odd, guys. So let us go with the programming and let us understand. So everyone are installed with Eclipse, right? Yeah. Case named as 0. Yes, the name. Yes, perfect, guys. Perfect, perfect, guys. Yeah. So let me go with Eclipse. So let me create one. project. So first go with file, new, yeah, and Java project. In this Java project, right, go with the project name, programming, uh, plus m, sorry, a2, yeah, perfect. So my project is being ready. Don't create a module. Yes, perfect. In this A2, right? Yeah. In this module, right? Just click on this particular project. You'll be getting three folders. One is bin folder, one is SRC folder, one is settings folder. You need not worry about settings. What is this SRC means? What are all codes which we are writing, right? We'll be saving in SRC folder. What is this bin folder? The dot class files, everything will be saved inside your bin folder. Both are exactly like mirrors. So that is the thing. And when it comes to projects, right, you'll be not giving your code. You'll be transferring them your dot class files, guys, so that they'll be getting to know the dot class files. So why we will be providing dot class files? Because they don't. We have to not reveal our codes, guys. Because whatever codes and all we write, right, it has to be for us and it's personal for us, not personal. Just company will not be giving the coding standards. For that reason only, we'll be giving dot class files, guys. Next, SRC. Just left click on SRC, new. In this new, again, you start with package, guys. So when you're writing package, right, what is the coding convention of package means? Writing convention, it is always should be in small case. So that is nothing but conventions when it comes to package you have to follow, guys. Every time it has to be in smaller case. And when you're entering into industry, how you will be writing your package, right? For example, I'll show you how you will be writing. So guys, this package standards, right, you have to follow compulsory. First you will be writing com, the domain which you'll be writing com or .org or .in .co. So first you will be writing com, then the company name, for example Google. In Google, on which project are you working? Gmail. Next, in Gmail, which submodule you are working? Submodule inbox. So this is the naming convention which has to be followed for package, guys. Naming convention. So this is mandatory. Always go with first. If you are designing an application for .com, go with .com. If you are for India, .in. Let us go with Swiggy. In Swiggy, Instamart. In Instamart, payments. So like this, guys. So you have to go with smaller case. Every time it has to be smaller case, guys. Lowercase when it comes to packages. So that one you have to go through it. Lowercase. Just a second, guys. Sorry. Lowercase. Perfect. So this is nothing but the convention which you have to follow in packages. Next, yeah. So can you repeat once again? So this is naming. Yeah, perfect. I'll be repeating. So guys, when it comes to packages, right, the naming convention you always have to go with the domain. So if you're working on .com or .in or .org or .co, so on which project are you working on? You have to start with that particular domain name. So for example, we are working now. Imagine, let's not go with now. Google is finished. Like Google, any other company? Let's go with it. Okay, let's go with Facebook. So most of them are very much familiar. So yeah, just a second. Facebook. So first, the domain. Just a second. Give me a moment. first our domain. Next you'll be having your company name. Next you'll be having on which module, on which application. In Facebook, imagine you are working on Facebook Lite. So your project name. Next, on some module, Facebook page you're working on home page module. So this is nothing your module name. Module name. Next, again in home page, if you have any submodels, simultaneously will be going. So this is nothing but the convention which you have to follow when it comes to packages, guys. So any project, if you're working on, right, don't just simply enter Facebook and you start. Go with com dot or Facebook dot, Facebook Lite dot homepage. So this is the naming convention when it comes to packages. Yes, perfect. Yes. So send me the WhatsApp link. Yeah, just a second, Sohel. I'll be sending you. Yeah, perfect, guys. Yeah. So now let us go with program. So where were we? Yeah, we have to start it with program. So we are gonna find even or odd, guys. So that is the program name. So this is a package, right? Yeah, package. Yeah, section one. Yeah, perfect, guys. So in this session one, let me go with class. So what is the class? Even or odd? Yeah. So I want a main method. Let me go with main method. So now let us go with even or odd, guys. So first initially, right? Let me import scanner class. Scanner class. Perfect. So my scanner class is ready. So now what me do? Let us import it. So as you said here, right? You always have to import the scanner class, guys. So you can see Java import java.util.scanner. So now I have created an object. Now let me go with the printing statement. So yeah, perfect. So enter the number. Now I'll be entering the number. So I have to call the inbuilt method. So I want to store integer value int num equals with this reference variable prefixed, and we have to call the method, guys. So that is one more thing. So this, right, it can be anything. This reference variable can be anything, guys. Not s, it can be input, it can be a, b, c, or anything, guys. It's on what is of your choice, guys. How easy you can remember, you can go with that particular reference variable. So now sorry, my scanner class has been ready. Now let us go with the switch case, guys. swit switch, and switch here, right, I have to pass the logic, which is nothing but num modulus 2. So why I'm passing here the logic, how the switch case works, right? If I press one particular thing, I imagine, guys, yeah, it's like lift, guys. If you press first, right, it will be going to first floor. If you're pressing two, you'll be going to second floor. Same way our switch case also works, same way, guys. So perfect. Yeah. Now I'll be on case. So if this entered number is being modified, I'll explain you. Just a second. I'll be finish this program. I want, yeah. The number is even. Perfect. Now use break. Perfect. Next case. If the remainder is the number is So this thing is ready. So what happens here, right? Let me explain you. So in this switch case, I'm passing the logic. Why I'm passing the logic, right? So the operation which is being performed, for example, let me go with this. So here what happens, right? The operation which I perform, like I will pass a number. As I said, I'll pass 9. And in this switch case, right? What happens? The operation will be going on. What is the operation? Is nothing but 9 modulus 2. So what will be the remainder of 9 modulus 2? 1. In that particular point of time, case 0, case 1. It's like it goes, the remainder comes 1, and the case 1 will be entered, and we'll be getting this number, nothing but it's system.out.println. The number is odd, guys. So this is nothing but how a switch case works. If I'm entering, let's take 6 modulus 2. So we'll be getting a remainder as 0. In that particular point of time, the case 0 will be working, guys. In that particular place, we'll be getting even. So this is nothing but odd or even. And guys, do this program simultaneously. You do even or odd using if else condition. So pass if else condition how? So num modulus 2 equals to 0. System.out.println, the number is even, and else pass system.out.println, the number is odd. So go with this one also, guys. Do both the programs. Now let me compile this program. Perfect. So it's already compiled. So let me search the console. So if you want to search anything, right, there's a search button over here. You can just go click on it, access the commands, and you can search, guys. I'm on console. So already have been previously searched it. So I'll go with the console. Just a second, guys. Perfect, guys. So enter a number. So let me enter a number, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let us check whether it is an odd number, guys. So let us enter an even number. So this number is even number. And when it comes to scanner class, right, even you can use scanner class directly, guys, like passing int num equals s dot int. See, I'll show you. See, guys. Now go just enter the number, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can say the number is odd. So why I'm using this println statement is for our understanding. You can directly enter the scanner class methods, guys. You can directly print it with the reference of it. Yeah, guys, go with this program. So okay, yeah, perfect. So even if else, so we can use, yeah, you can use even if else also, and you try this program using if else, which I have shown. Let me show. Yeah, do this program. I'll show you the logic of if else. Yeah, perfect, guys. So guys, once you are done with the program, just give me a pen.
Hello, hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can I do this program in Sublime Text Editor also?
Yeah, you can do it. Yes. You can go with
Okay, sir.
Sublime. You can go with Visual Studio, and Eclipse, Notepad, Edit Plus. Yeah, the convenience of yours,
Okay,
guys. Yeah, perfect.
okay, sir.
Okay, so I have done with this code, guys. So what is the shortcut for java.util.scanner? Yeah, it's what, right? Just a second, let me comment it. So we'll be getting an error. In this error, right, just double click it twice, or left click your mouse, sorry, right click your mouse. You'll be getting an import java.util.scanner. Just click on it, you'll be getting your import statement. So that is an easy way. If you want to create a new class, go with control N. If you want to create package anything, or you can go with control N. Yes, perfect, guys. So guys, have you done with this code? Yes, done. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, done. I'm doing. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, everyone is no. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, please go with the program. So guys, what I'll be doing, right? First, I'll be doing all easy means easy programs. Next, I'll be going a bit. I'll be increasing the difficulty level. Then I'll be increasing like easy, average, and next I'll be increasing with a difficult one. Guys, I'll be going in the three phase. First, we'll go with all easy programs. We'll understand how everything works, all switch case, decision statements, loops, everything. Then I'll be increasing the complexity, guys. Yeah. Done. Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Perfect. Yeah. So now let us go with second program. So yeah. So what is the second program is? We'll enter a number. We'll enter a number and check whether the number is valid month or not. Number is valid month or not. So for example, I'll be entering few numbers. So that number, right, is an valid month or not, I'll be checking. So what is the logic and all, I'll be explaining you guys. So let me take int num equals 16. So what is the logic? Let me explain you the logic. So I'll take if statement. If num is greater than 0, and and if num is lesser than or equals to 12, so system.out.println, so it is a valid month. So it is a valid month. System.out.println, it is a valid month. Else, it is not a valid month. Not valid month. So this is nothing but the logic to check whether the number entered is a valid month or not. So if it is greater than 0 and lesser than or equals to 12, right? If any numbers which I enter falls in this particular loop and this condition gets satisfied, or this condition becomes true, it comes into this particular block and this will be executed. If the condition becomes false, if the condition comes, it skips the if loop and it comes to else block, guys. It comes to else block and this gets executed. So now I'm entering into 16. So if block will be not executing, else block will be executing. Why? Because 16 falls above 12, guys. So how? Let us implement in the code. Yeah. And even number, how to do it if else, I'll be showing you. You try it out. If pass the condition, num modulus equals to 0, double equals to 0, then it's even, or else go with it's odd. So this is nothing but the logic for when you're using with if else condition. Yeah, perfect. So now let me go with this code. Yeah, valid month. Yeah, perfect. So let me create a main method. Yeah, let me go with scanner class. Scanner s equals new scanner. Dot in. Yeah, perfect. So let me import it. So I imported a scanner class. Now let me enter system, enter number, int num equals s dot next int. Yeah, perfect. Now my input is ready now. Now let us go with the condition, guys. Yeah, if now I'll be passing the condition. So num is greater than 0 and num is lesser than or equals to 12. So I'll be writing, yeah, system dot out dot println. So num, it it is a valid month. Perfect, guys. Next, let us go with else statement. Else num, it is not a valid month. Yeah, just a second. Perfect. So yeah. So what I did, right? I wrote a logic in if statement. What is that if statement? If the entered number should fall between 0 to 11 to 12, sorry, 10 to 12, 0 to 12, guys. If that particular number which is being entered fall in between this, right, our if condition will be executed. So for example, I'll be entering 1. So what happens? 1, yeah, it's a February, sorry, January. So January gets executed. If I enter 2, yeah, it's February. So again, our if loop will be getting, if block will get executed. If I enter, for example, 16, I'll be getting else block will be executing. Why? Because it does not falls between any of this number. You can see how we are validating. You can see 2806 2020, right? With this particular month number, we are validating whether it is present or not. And there is another way also to write. Same only, you can go with num greater than or equals to 1, and you can go with num lesser than, oh, sorry, yeah, lesser than or equals to 12. So this is another way. But what is this symbol works? It does not consider 0, guys. It always starts from 1. So another program I'll be doing it, you'll be getting it. Okay. So let us execute it. So enter the first number. Sorry. Enter a number. So let me enter 3. Yeah, it is a valid month, guys. So let me enter one number. So Let me enter 17. So it is not a valid month. So again, let me enter 11. So 11 is a valid month. You can go with any of your numbers, guys. So guys, execute this program. Yeah, perfect. So show once. So show the explanation. Yeah, perfect. I'll be showing you. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
so while I do this program, it throws an error.
Hmm. Yes. Man,
So,
what is the error?
so wait,
Hmm.
so wait.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes. Just a second. Yeah, perfect. Done, sir. Done, sir. Yeah, sure. So explanation. So guys, simultaneously we go with this program and we'll do another program.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, will you share these programs in group or just in class, sir?
I'll be creating a Google Classroom and I'll be uploading over there.
Okay, okay. Fine,
Yes.
sir.
And you can have a screenshot of it, pa.
Yeah, yeah. I will.
And you are simultaneously executing the program, right? Everyone,
Yes,
yes?
yes, sir.
Yeah, perfect. Yes, guys. So everyone is simultaneously executing, right? Yes, Manish?
Yes, sir. Executed. Executed.
Yeah, perfect, guys. Done. Yeah. So let us go with the next program, guys. So, yeah. So what is the next program is? Just a second.
Sir, can you show the program?
Yeah, I'll be showing you. Just a second.
Yeah, done.
Yeah, perfect. So, yeah. So what is the next program we are doing to it? We will be writing some numbers, okay? We'll be entering some numbers. We'll validate and we'll check whether the number is a three-digit number or not. So enter a number, check whether entered number is three-digit number or not. So now we are going to enter three digits, some digits of number. We'll be checking whether that number is three-digit number or not. So how to write this program? Let me go with the logic. So first we'll be designing a class. Um, three-digit, yes. Next I'll be writing our main method. Next, here, right? Next I'll be entering a number. So int num equals, yeah. Let us enter a three-digit number. Yeah, 789. Yes. Next, let us go with the logic. So logic where I have to pass, I have to pass inside our if statement. So what is the logic? So logic is nothing but num greater than or greater than 99 and num lesser than or equals to 99, or you can go with lesser than 1000, guys. So that time what happens, the entered number is SOP or println, it's a three-digit number. or you can go then else system.out.println, so not 3-digit number. So whatever I'll be entering the number, right? If it falls between 99 and 1000, right? That time what happens? Our if block will get executed. If the condition becomes true, right? Our if block gets executed. If the condition becomes false, right? Our else block will get executed. Means it's not a 3-digit number. So how? Let us understand with the code, guys. So hmm, digit, yes. So my digit class is ready. Um, so let me create a main method. Perfect. Let me import scanner class. Scanner is equals new scanner. So my scanner class is ready. So enter a number. Enter a number. So int num equals s dot next int. Yeah. So let us write the logic. So what is the logic? It's nothing but if num is greater than 99, yeah, and num is lesser than 1000, so it is a three-digit number. Else else no, it is uh, not three-digit number. Yeah, digit number. Yeah, perfect. So now let me enter, and I'll be explaining how this lesser than and greater than symbol works, and lesser than greater than equals to symbol works. So enter a number. So if I press 99, right? So it is not a three-digit number, guys. Next, let me enter 1000. So again, it is not a three-digit number, guys. So let me enter one three-digit number. So let me start with 100. Yes, 100 is a three-digit number. So let me go with 999. So it is a three-digit number. So how this greater than symbol works, right? So when it comes to num entered greater than 99, it always checks from 100, guys. Same way when it's lesser, right? It decreases one value from 99. Oh, so 999. So other logic how we can write is it's simple, guys. So 100 greater than or equals to 100. Sorry, num greater than or equals to 100 and num lesser than or equals to 99. So this is another logic, guys. Both logic works. So you can go with this program. Yeah, perfect. Yes. Okay, so yeah. So could we start? Sir, we should start class name with the number, right? No, 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 sir. What is the shortcut for system? Yeah, it's you can use SYSO control space, guys. That is the shortcut for system, or you can even go with YSO also, guys. YSO, and you can press control space. You'll be getting system printing statement. So that is one. And if you want this if condition and all, right, just go right check for loop again control space. You'll be getting options, guys. So which for loop you want, you can select. So that is one thing is there. And for all the switch case, even for switch also, control space. So you can get which you have to pass. So you have like this, you can select which you want. Like this, you can select it, guys. So control space is for system.out.println, yes. Yeah. Yeah, sir, what is the shortcut? Yeah, perfect, perfect. Num? Why are I am writing num plus? We can write that also. So why I'm writing that num, right, means which number I entered. I want to know, right? For that reason, I'm entering the number. So 99 is nothing but it is not, or else we cannot. You cannot write. Sorry, we cannot use num also. You can go directly also. Like this also I can. But what number we entered, right? That I have to know. For that reason, I'm checking. For example, I'll be entering a number. So 789. So it is a three-digit number. So what number I entered, I want to display it. For that reason, I'm writing num. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. But guys, go with this program. Yes, I got it. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah. And sir, what? So we should not start class name with numbers. Yeah, you should not start with numbers. There are naming conventions. Yes. When it comes to class name, you always have to go with uppercase, and you can't use special characters also, except underscore and dollar. And you should always start with every first letter of your class name should be in uppercase, guys. Every first word, every letter of sorry, correct. What I said was every first letter of your class name should be of uppercase. If it's multi-word, it also should be in digit number. It should be like this number. Even this should be in uppercase. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, guys, go with this program. Let's.
Done, sir.
That, yeah, perfect. Guys. Yeah. So yeah, everyone is done with it.
Done, sir.
Yeah, yes and above.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, perfect.
Completed.
Guys. So give us a program to try ourselves if possible. Yeah, perfect. I'll be giving it. Yes, perfect. Yes, I'll be giving. Yeah. Will you try one program? Okay, I will give a program just now. Okay, find out numbers of. Yeah, let me go with this. So enter three numbers. Hey, the slide is not working. Enter three numbers. This
So
is
take another color pen, sir. It's not writing.
yeah, no, it's what happened. I have to go with. I have to change the slate. Actually, I have to get a new writing pad. I'll speak with. Yeah. Enter a number and check. Enter number. So take three numbers, guys. Three numbers, and in this three numbers, check the smallest number. Check the smallest number, guys. Smallest number. So, can you do this program, or will I share the logic, guys? Yes.
Conditional
we-
operator, sir.
yeah, conditional operator. You have to do the conditional operator.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah, perfect, guys. Yeah, go with this program. Yeah, starting day. Yeah, I'll be providing you assignments. Yes, I'll be providing you assignments, guys. No worries. Yeah, take three numbers, guys, and check whether the number is which is the smallest number, and go with conditional operator. Yes, exactly. Conditional operator. And you have to take num1, num2, num3. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Once you are done, just give me a ping, guys. I'll explain of the others also. Yeah, perfect, guys. So, guys, have you done with this program? Yeah, perfect, guys. So let me once I'll brief you of how it works. So we'll be taking three inputs, guys. So first we'll be going with if statement. In if statement, right? First I'll be checking this is the smallest. So when it comes to smallest, right, I'll be checking num1 is lesser than num2. Yeah, guys. Next I'll be checking just a second, guys. Num1 is lesser than num2. Yeah, perfect. Hmm. First I'll be checking num1 is lesser than num2, and I'll be checking num1 is lesser than num3. So if these both conditions are true, right, I'll be stating system.out.println num1 is lesser. Lesser. Perfect, guys. Next, I'll take another else if condition. So there I'll be checking whether num2 is perfect. Just a second, guys. This is greater than symbol. Just make it reverse, guys. This is num2. So only I got confused. Yeah, no. Now if num1 is lesser than num2 and num1 is lesser than num3. Is it perfect? Yeah. So if num1 is lesser than num2 and num1, yeah. So if these both conditions are true, right? So how our Boolean statement works and operator works is if I have operand 1, true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. If both the conditions are true, right, we'll be getting true. If any of the conditions is true or either of the condition is true or false, we'll be getting false, false, and false. Yeah. So this is our and or logical and operator works. So if num2 is lesser than num3, right, then we will be going with system.out.println. Um, num2 is lesser. Else we'll be writing num3 is system.out.println. Num3 is lesser, guys. Num3 is less. Yeah, perfect. So this is nothing but the logic of our checking the smallest of 3 digits number, guys. So let me go with execution. Smallest of 3. Yeah, perfect. Let me go with the main method. Yeah. Now let me take scanner class. Scanner is equals new scanner system dot in. Yeah, perfect. So enter number, enter the first number, enter second number, then enter third number, third number. Yeah. So let me go with int num1 equals s dot next int. Yeah, perfect. So next int num2 equals s dot next int. Perfect, guys. Yeah. Next, let me go with int num3 equals s dot next int. Perfect. Yeah. let me write the condition. If num1 lesser than num2 and if num1 is lesser than num3, then we'll be writing perfect. So num1 is smallest, else if num2 is lesser than num3, then we'll be writing num2 is smallest. Perfect. Yeah, yes. Next, if just then num3 is smallest, else num3 is smallest. Yeah, perfect. Yes. So guys, you try for the largest also simultaneously. Those I have completed. So let me execute this program. So I'll be entering just enter the first number. So let me go with the number 1, 2, 3. Next, let me go 1, 4, 7. Next, I'll go. So num1 is the smallest. So for a precise, let's go with num1. Num2, yeah, perfect. Okay, yeah. So let me again execute on another program. Sorry, execute this. Let me compile it. Syntax error. Just a second. Yeah, perfect. Yes. So let me enter a number. So let me go with this. And yes. Yes. Let me go with 2. Yeah. So 32 is the smallest number, guys. So this is nothing but finding the smallest of 3 numbers, guys. So simultaneously, you guys try for largest of 3 numbers. Yeah, perfect, guys. So can we find area or any figure with the help of scanner class? No. Scanner class is only used for getting an input from the user during the execution. Yes. Yeah, just a second. Package program import java.util.star. Yeah, star you can use. If you use Java util star, right, it imports all the packages or all the classes present in our our packages, our classes, guys. So just a second. Smallest of 3 numbers, yeah. Just a second. Greatest of 3 numbers, perfect. Yeah. Mm, yeah. Perfect, Kunal. That's yeah. Next for execution. For execution, Harshad, just a second. Harshad. Sir, but it took time. Done, sir. Yeah, perfect for execution. Yeah. I'll be displaying the code. Yes, you can just go to the code. Done for the greatest. Yeah, perfect, guys. Just we have to go with util. Yeah, it will take time exactly because you'll be calling all the classes, right? And you'll be not knowing which class you'll be importing. That's the reason we'll be not using much of star, but it's okay. Yes, guys. Perfect. Yeah. Yes, guys. Now let me go with yeah, smallest and largest has been finished. Yeah. So I think yeah. Okay, guys. I'll give you an assignment, guys. So guys, who and all has looping statements and do you have notes of looping statement as well as decision statements? Everyone has, yes. Yes, sir. Yes. No. Yes. Perfect. 1, 2. Yeah. 4. Yeah. Okay, guys. Guys, I'll be no. Okay, guys, I'll be displaying you both decision statement as looping statements. Uh, yeah, do loop and while loop. Yeah, exactly. And please have a screenshots of it. Yeah, perfect. Just a second, guys.
So your voice breaking, sir.
Its voice is breaking. Now it's breaking, pa.
Now
And
it's okay. Sir. Middle while you were talking at middle it's like breaking.
yeah, okay, sorry for it. Yeah. Ac- Actually, from morning I have batch. Actually, from 8 o'clock I have been start.
Okay. Thank you.
Sorry. Actually, I'm taking two incubation batches has been assigned to me. I was actually feel freely chilling off, not chilling in the sense I used to also take classes, but new incubation students have been given. From them, I'm taking 8 o'clock batch. From 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 2, 7 to 9, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, and
Sir, when will
Sunday.
you take breakfast, sir? Then
Huh?
when will you take breakfast?
Breakfast simultaneously with you guys you will be doing right in that time now what happened I'll be leaving you early guys so I can rest my throat again next what I'll be doing is I'll have some rest and again I'll be starting with the session.
Yeah, sir. No
Yeah
problem.
guys, yeah, perfect guys, yeah, you can do good notes guys. Yes, once you're done with the ppts just ping me up, I'll be sharing you the this thing guys. I'll be going for the next slide.
It's done, sir. Can...
Yeah.
Done, sir.
Yeah.
Done, sir.
So your notes is different, sir.
My notes is different. Yes,
Yeah.
I have three notes. This is simplified one. One is of PDF format, and another is another PPT.
Done, sir.
So can you share that notes which is in PDF
Notes,
format?
PDF. Actually, I was sharing for everyone, but that head came to know that I'm sharing, so he recommended not to share. For that only, I made it of this one. Actually, I did it for you guys itself, but it's like I can't share it.
So can you go back once?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So, guys, everyone has taken this loops, right? So I'll be displaying from first once again. I'll be displaying it from starting. So this is the first slide. This is the second slide. This is the third slide. This is the fourth slide. And this is the fifth slide. This is the sixth slide. So this is of loops, guys. Yeah.
So wait.
Yeah.
Sir, before activity, that one is
Activity is not for now. I'll be giving you this activity later on. Yeah, there is activities.
okay.
Yeah. Means it's nothing. I will be what to say. It's prime numbers and everything. No worries. I'll be doing these programs for you, but not now. I'll be starting with it. Yeah.
Okay,
Perfect.
sir.
Yeah. Next decision statements. Yeah.
Done answer.
Sir, can you show the previous slide? If
Yes.
slide.
Yes. If slide, right? Yeah.
Yeah, done.
Done, sir.
Yeah, perfect. Yes, guys. So everyone has the notes, right? And who and all have been not done with this, right? Please go with this notes and read everything. So that mainly I'll be in this numbers and patterns, right? I'll be going with only with loops and decision statement. Once I'll be going with strings, right? I will be providing you strings notes also, and I'll be doing arrays also. I'll be doing arrays notes also. I'll be sharing you guys. So these four topics and designability, yeah, designability I'll be doing. So if any notes has been required on that concern, you can ask me. I'll be sharing you it, guys, with you. Yeah. Yes, guys. Perfect. And now I'll be giving you an assignment question, two assignments. Will you be doing it? Yes. I'll explain you what is the assignment. And if not, I'll be doing it tomorrow on this week
Yes, sir. Yes,
for
sir.
you guys. Yes.
And we will try,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Try.
Definitely
Yeah.
will try.
Yeah. So what is the it's what is the assignment, right? So with the help of switch case you go. So with the help of switch case. So what is the question is you have to read a month from the user, and print the corresponding month name. Print the corresponding month name. Yeah, corresponding month name. Yeah. So what right? For example, if I enter one, it should print as February. If I enter, sorry, February, I'm saying January. If I enter two, right, I have to get February. So if I enter 12, I should get December. So this is one of the topic, guys. So this program you should use with the help of switch case and read a month, right? You can go with integer, guys. Yeah, just a second. Integer, int. Yeah. So this is one with the help of switch case. Next, guys, there are some months have 31 days, some months have 30 days, right? And 1 month has 28 days.
Wait.
So guys, same similar way, you have to print in using switch case, right? Yeah. So you have to print the corresponding date, corresponding months in the just print corresponding days in a month. In a month. So these are what to say to get February with the help of switch case, guys. So in the second, right, if I want there are months. So if I press in January, how many months are there? Yeah, 31. It has 31 days. If I enter 2, right, January, February has 28 or 29. So if I press 2, right, it has to say it has 28 days. If I press 3, again 3, if I press, it should say I have 31 days. This month, which is the 6th month, how many days are there? Let me check out in this. I think 30 days are there for this month, right?
30.
Yeah, 30 days. So if I press 6, right, it should say 30 days are present. So with the help of switch case, you have to do this, both programs, guys. One is finding the corresponding name of the month. One is finding the corresponding days in a month, both. So I'll, so just a second, finding corresponding name of a month of a month. And second is finding correspond both with the help of switch case units, guys, and 4 digits, and find that 4 digits number also, guys. 4 digits. We print go with the assignment and come, guys. Yeah, perfect. So yes, sir. So can I have WhatsApp link? Just a second, I'll be sharing. Yeah, perfect, guys. I'll be sharing it. Just a second. Yeah. So who and all don't have WhatsApp group? Yeah, you can just ping me now. I'll be sharing you it. Perfect. So guys, I'll thank you. Yeah, Espa. Perfect, guys. So I'll be winding up the session. So please share the WhatsApp. Yes, Nilesh, I'll be sharing you. Yeah. So yes, guys. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Okay, let's be winding up. You go and guys try these 3 programs. Yeah. Let's meet up tomorrow sharp at 12. Yeah, guys. Thank you, guys. Still then, rock on. Bye, guys. Yeah. Yes, Anubhav.
Sir, can you show the third one?